So if you looked at the repair video to this was the gift radio from our kind benefactor Alan, and he changed some of the capacitors in it correctly, and he really just needed the VCO setting up and a good going through on the alignment. It's been speaking to us, whichever squelch is. We'll put it through to the extension speaker like we normally do once we get to having contact with Mr. Chippie. Good, that's the record ultrasonic cleaner gone off. So we might be able to hear what we're saying now. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, it's working.
Excellent. Got a black t-shirt on and it's reflecting on that knob. I can see that on the camera. I must put a white t-shirt on when I'm doing reflective knobs. Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, of course the Wi-Fi is not set up for the wristwatch, so I'm just going to press record on the thing and we'll go.
Yeah, Roger, okay.
Right, passing the house now recording.
Yeah, Roger on that, thank you. There's no tone control on this model.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger. Passing Lancaster service station and it's closed.
We're not late today, are we?
Yes, we are.
Right.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Suppose you got your square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads. Apart from road markings, because I drove down it today, yeah, apart from road markings, it's probably finished over.
Yeah, roger that, I can see the signs have gone.
Roger that.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
You're going through the crossroads.
Passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. we're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilson.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Uniden Uniace 100 from 1981. And he's doing a full 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Huzzah!
Going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
How's it got you going over Wilford Level Crossing? How's the rain out there?
Wet.
Shit.
Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, you know what? You said Greyleys at Kelby. I don't know.
No, I'm definitely at Greyleys. Did I forget about Kelby?
You called it as Greyleys.
What, I called Kelby through his Greyleys?
Roger. So I thought, right, anyway, you're there now.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on the Uniden 100 and it's producing 4 watts. It's drawing 1.11 amps to do that. We'll now go down to low power, which has been set for 400 milliwatts. 54321. Here we are on low power at 400 milliwatts. The radio is now drawing 459 milliamps. Back to full power. There we are back at full 4 watts power. Over.
Yep, roger that. Despite a bit of choppy interference, that was all well received on both.
Excellent, right. Perhaps the rain improves propagation.
Perhaps.
Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that.
start going.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. I think you said petrol prices, so yeah, 153.7, 159.9, same as yesterday.
Roger, we're now getting interference on this channel from abroad. So there we go, that concludes the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. And have you got a petrol price at that end, please? Over.
I think you said petrol prices, so yeah, 153.7, 159.9, same as yesterday.
Roger, we're now getting interference on this channel from abroad. So there we go, that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. Okay, well, that worked absolutely great. So, in view of the VCO not being in lock, we'll leave this off overnight. We'll try it first thing tomorrow, make sure everything's still locking. And then we'll move on to the next set, which I think is box 30. So we're going to come back to box 24 to the other set in that box, the Fidelity 1000. We're going to come back to box 29 with the power supply in it. We'll move on to a customer repair, and I say we'll do it every other. So thanks Alan once again. We'll go over to our base station, see what that sounds like. They're usually a little bit bassy, but the standard replacement mics are a bit more trebly than the originals that came with these.
Tango 21 testing the Uniden Uniace 100, doing a full 4 watts into our Midland 76900 base station and using a standard replacement microphone. 54321, which is on low power just in case any hums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then back to the normal 4 watts. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that and the previous video where I was doing the restoration of this set. Thanks for watching.